Is your computer slowing down even though you have free RAM? Most people don't know that Windows secretly holds onto cached memory, stealing performance from your games and apps. Here is how to check first. Open the Task Manager by searching for it in the Windows search bar. Go to the Performance tab and select Memory. Look at the number next to Cached. That is the hidden memory we are about to free. Keep watching because the next step is the secret tool. Now open your web browser and search for RAMMap download. Click on the official Microsoft link. They will say sysinternals and download the RAMMap tool to your computer. This tool is free and safe because it comes directly from Microsoft. Do not download from any other website. Once the download finishes, find the zip file in your Downloads folder. Right-click on it and choose Extract All to unzip the application files. This step is very important because running the tool from inside the zip folder will not work properly. Open the extracted folder and look for the RAMMap application. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator, then click Accept on the license agreement. Most people forget this step. If you do not run as administrator, the tool cannot clear the cached memory. In the small RAMMap window, click on the Empty tab at the top. From the drop-down menu, select Empty Standby List. Now go back to your Task Manager. Watch as your cached RAM usage drops instantly. That is it. Your computer will feel faster immediately. Do this once every few weeks, not every hour. Too much clearing can actually slow you down. If this video helped, hit subscribe and watch the next video where I show you how to permanently stop Windows from eating your RAM.